Those blank rows you see are the clef staffs. Now, when they're filled in with notes from left to right, just like you'd read a book, they'll either be what's called a treble clef staff or a bass clef staff. Now, what's the difference? As the notes you sing rise to the top of the clef staffs, they increase your pitch. This gives them a higher, lighter sound. As the notes get lower, the clef staffs, they go down in pitch with a heavier, lower, darker sound. And that's what you'll sing when you see them written that way. Thinking of how it plays out on a piano should help you. See, notice how as you go from the lower pitched notes on the left side of the piano to the higher pitched notes on the right side of the piano, the notes are written on the staffs in ascending order, meaning they rise from bottom to top, as you can see. Sometimes notes are written on a line that is below or above the lines on the staff. Now, these notes appear on extra small lines called ledger lines. Now, we'll get into all what those do later. Now, I know that's a lot to take in, but once you see it in front of you and start to experiment with actually singing these different notes, you're going to find it gets really easy. It's like following any simple set of instructions. You just have to know what the rules are. Now, there's a lot more to reading music, but for now, just get these fundamental ideas down. And once you do, we'll talk more about the different phrases, symbols, and what they all mean to you in your singing. In the meantime, I'll see you in part 3 of our lesson, where I'll teach you about sight reading what you've just learned and about training your ear to be as fine-tuned as your voice. Stick around.